Call of Duty is coming to Nintendo Switch, and it's coming to the platform for the first time since 2013. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Activision has officially revealed Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4, a return to Infinity Ward's Modern Warfare sub-series after a 3-year hiatus. The game isn't only coming to Xbox Series XS, PS5, and PC, but it'll also launch on Switch too. The franchise debuts on the console after the supposed 10-year Call of Duty pack that Microsoft and Nintendo made in 2023. Infinity Ward is developing the native Switch 2 version of Modern Warfare 4 in partnership with the mobile gaming studio Digital Legends, but the game won't be coming to PS4 or Xbox One, making it the first current-gen only COD. Call of Duty Warzone will also be shut down on PS4 and Xbox One later this year. The game will drop you into the boots of Private Park, a young South Korean soldier getting his first taste of live combat as North Korea invades his homeland. Infinity Ward promises a typically globe-trotting campaign that also features military assignments in New York, Paris, and Mumbai. Series mainstay Captain Price also returns, who's now an outlaw. He's on a personal revenge quest that sees him drawn towards a weapon powerful enough to shift the balance of power, setting an emotion of conflict far greater than even he anticipated. Multiplayer will be the big draw for many, and Infinity Ward is promising a new weapon-first technology that unifies precision aiming, physical handling, realistic audio propagation, enhanced visibility, and smarter combat perception into the most authentic Modern Warfare gunplay yet. Modern Warfare 4 will launch with 12 core maps, with fan-favorite modes like Search and Destroy and Domination returning, alongside several new ones. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 launches on set platforms on October 23rd. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.